pathological liar. Some pathological liar. Like, yo, I am in disbelief. I am in disbelief. I am in disbelief. The only thing that got to me, outside of everything that has happened with the media, the only thing that got to me in all of this is Letoya's lies. Letoya's lies. Yes. This is frustrating. I wish you guys knew what it means to have slept next to someone for 4 years and you didn't know what you were sleeping next to. For me, it's the lies. For me, it's the lies. We asked this woman. My family pleaded with her. We asked her. Can you guys part ways amicably? Can you take out the joint statement? Actually, it did not. You know, the one thing that could have broken me is actually what happened prior to this interview. You know, with my name being dragged in the mud by someone who meant so much to me, all in the name of selling an album. What I don't understand is, you want to sell an album, why don't you sell an album? Why?
Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Hi guys, you know, whatever Letoya Makhene did to Lebo Kheswa, it's really, really big, because 1 minute we think everything is over and then she comes back with her own podcast this time. So this clip was taken from the first video of the podcast, and guess who she is talking about? Letoya Makhene. It's getting like so toxic at this point. We just wanted to support her on the podcast, but she can't be always speaking about Letoya like guys. You know, this person went to podcast guys, to share her story, but she felt like, no, these people didn't hear me well. Let me start my own podcast and share the same story. Like, people are getting tired of hearing the same thing over and over again. Yes, we understand that you are hurt. Like, you are not the first one and you are not the last one to get hurt. It's not for the faint-hearted. But now she is talking about the same thing over and over again, even in her own podcast. I feel like she is going to run out of topics if she keeps on talking about Letoya in this podcast, and people are just going to get bored. We've been hearing this story from different podcasts. Now we are hearing the story from your podcast. Same thing. Letoya's lies. Hey, Letoya destroyed me. Letoya 4 years. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. And when I was checking the comment section on this clip, people were saying that, no man, this person got into this relationship. She was already hurt when she got into the relationship. So, that's why now she is behaving like this. She didn't heal before she got into that relationship. But Mina, as for me, I really don't know. But this thing is getting so tiring, guys. It's so tiring, Just hope that she can find other topics for the other episodes and not talk about Letoya over and over again. It's not giving, man. But yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on